Hello my viewers, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the Parkside Performance Cordless Impact Drill 20 volt. It's been delivered without a battery and without a charger. It comes with a 5-year warranty. The model number is PSBSAP 20 LIB2 and it's compatible with all X20 volt team batteries, and the recommended battery is a 20 volt 2 amp hour or a 20 volt 4 amp hour battery. Two settings, 0 to 400 or 0 to 2000 RPMs, spindle lock function, a quick stop and a soft grip, and you can use it for wood, metal or stone. And it has been compared to the PSBSAP 20 LIB2. It's an older model, up to 70% higher torque than that machine, up to 10 times longer motor life, and up to 36% higher impact rate. Let's open it up, see how it works. And if you're interested in other cordless drill videos, here we have some that I made videos about. This is the last one. It's a 60 Newton meter. This is a 35 Newton meter. Those were very cheap. We have some 12 volts and a 4 volt screwdriver. So make sure you watch them. As I always mention, the durable hard case with the metal hinges and the strong grip. Manual in a multiple language, and of course your language or a language that you will understand will be in there. So here we have it. Let's take a closer look. It has the belt clip, the battery connection, the soft hand grip. The trigger feels very nice. Changing the direction. It's plastic. This is metal. And this is plastic again. And it has a 21 plus 2 drill and a hammer drill, impact drill setting. 2 speeds. Let's attach a battery. It's pretty heavy. Small sound test. And we have this grip that's pretty easy to mount. Come on. Very strong. Metal. Nice. On this side we have some specifications. And you can change it in any direction you want. Just twist it to lock it. So here I have the 60 Newton meter and here I have the 80 Newton meter, and then we're gonna see what the weight is. First we take the 60 Newton meter. .59 kilos. .25 kilos. So that's a lot heavier. It's also bigger, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do now, in the previous video about the 60 Newton meter, I mentioned it already that the drill wobbles. The 60 Newton meter I tested in previous video and it didn't. And now we're gonna test them both to see if this one is also balanced. So we're just gonna attach a drill. And see what it does. This one has a slight bit of a wobbling, as you can see. You have to look at the point here, and you can see it go up and down. Now we're gonna do the 60 Newton meter again. And then you have to watch the point. And you can see this one is all the way perfectly balanced, all the way straight. So the 80 Newton meter has a little bit of wobbling. I think it doesn't matter. It's just a minimum of wobbling. And the 60 Newton meter is perfectly balanced. So I have a cheap Parkside drill here, size 10. We're going to drill some holes. We put it on drilling here, and we put it on setting 2 here, also drilling. The other one is, you see the screw. And then after drilling these holes, I watched again. It looks like it's not wobbling anymore. Let's give it a try. It's all the way straight now. %100% straight. So maybe it has something to do with which size drill you install. I'm not sure about that, but this one is running fully straight. Maybe it's not attached proper. And now it's wobbling. So it's not balanced all the time when you attach it. And now it's running straight again. So we're going to do some screw testing now. I leave it on the drill mode here, and I put it on 1. And if you want to screw faster, put it on setting 2. the bigger ones, put it on 1. Setting 1 just has more power and setting 2 has more speed. So we're outside, just gonna drill 1 hole. For that we put it on the drill mode 2 and on the hammer drill, as you can see. So guys, I make these videos for you, so your opinion is very important. So please leave me a comment what you think about this drill. My opinion, for the wood, drilling, screwing, it works fine. It's a little heavy. I do like the handlebar and the distance stick. The wobbling, it's just a little out of balance sometimes, but then when you replace the drill, it's gone. So I don't see any problems for that. Drilling the redstone wall can be better. For me it worked, but I have used other drills and they drill easier into these walls. The concrete block, for me it just didn't work. I have used other drills like DeWalt and Bosch that drill way more easy into concrete, very hard concrete, and this machine, it just struggles. The drill goes walking, stuff like that. But I'm curious about your opinion, so please drop me a comment, like this video, and if you want to see more videos and be notified, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. And I hope to see you in next video. So thanks for watching now.